Hi there, my name is Caitlin Marsden, and I had the beautiful opportunity of buying a house, and through Heart to Heart, this wonderful program in our community, half of the commissions went back to foundations that you feel are dear to your heart. And I myself am a two-time cancer survivor. I had Hodgkin's lymphoma, and it came back, and I went and had a stem cell transplant last year. And so of course I wanted to give back to the Wellness Kitchen because they helped me so much through my illness and through my recovery, and it's just such a beautiful foundation and program, and these ladies here are just the sweetest, kindest people, and they uplifted my spirit, and I'm happy to give back to them. It's just wonderful. Oh, no.